How much should you actually spend on a booster seat for your child? Because some are super cheap and others are pricey, but does that mean they're worth it? It's a bit interesting when you dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Graco Turbo Booster 2 Highback. Starting with the Graco Turbo Booster 2 Highback in the Declan design, priced at $55.99. What caught my attention here is its bestseller badge, and honestly, for good reason. If you want a reliable and versatile booster seat for your growing child, this is worth a serious look. This seat transforms from a highback to a backless booster, which is fantastic as it adapts to your child's needs. The Graco Protect Plus engineered design means it undergoes rigorous crash tests, so you can feel confident in its safety features. This matters for you specifically because it ensures your little one is well protected in the event of an accident. Plus, it accommodates kids from 4 to 10 years old, weighing between 40 and 100 pounds and up to 57 inches tall. With adjustable armrests and a head support, your child can ride in comfort, and the hideaway cup holders are a nice touch to keep drinks close at hand. Now, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, which might frustrate some parents. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the peace of mind this seat offers makes it all worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting booster that grows with your child. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight, as it's a bit heavier. But at that price point, it's a solid investment in safety. Now, if the Turbo Booster's installation worries you, the next option on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Graco Turbo Booster 2 Highback Freya. Next up is another Graco Turbo Booster 2 Highback, but this one comes in the Freya design, also priced at $55.99. It's strikingly similar to the Declan, but that's not a bad thing. If you want a booster seat that prioritizes safety and comfort, this one is definitely worth considering. Like its sibling, this model is rigorously crash tested under the Graco Protect Plus engineered program. This means it's designed to keep your child safe during frontal, rear, and rollover crashes. You'll feel safe knowing that it's accommodating kids from ages 4 to 10, weighing up to 100 pounds. The height-adjustable armrests and head support ensure comfort, and the hideaway cup holders are super handy for keeping snacks and drinks nearby. However, a few users have pointed out that the fabric might not be the most durable option out there. But honestly, given the safety features and the price point, it's a compromise I believe is worth making for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, reliable booster that your child will enjoy. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for daily heavy use, but for most parents, it's a fantastic choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a backless design. Product number 3, Graco Turbo Booster 2 Backless. Now let's look at the Graco Turbo Booster 2 Backless Booster Car Seat in Tricia, priced at just $34.99. This caught my eye because it's a top-rated option that offers great value. If you need an easy-to-use booster that's safe and comfortable, this is definitely worth a look. This model is particularly designed for kids aged 4 to 10, weighing between 40 and 100 pounds. The fact that it's backless makes it super easy to transfer between vehicles. The Graco Protect Plus engineered safety features are still in play here, ensuring your child is protected during various crash scenarios. The height-adjustable armrests add comfort, and those hideaway cup holders, a lifesaver during long trips. On the downside, some parents mention that without a back, it might not offer the same level of support as highback models, especially for younger children. But here's the thing, if your child is older and ready for a backless option, this is perfect and much easier to manage. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and convenient booster for older kids. Skip it if your child still needs the extra support of a highback, but for its price and features, it's a smart buy. Now, if that backless option is too simple for you, the next product offers a bit more protection. Product number 4, Chico Kid Fit Clear Tex Plus. Next up is the Chico Kid Fit Clear Tex Plus, priced at $109.99. This one stands out with its premium features. If you want a booster that combines comfort and safety, this is worth considering. The Chico Kid Fit has a unique duo-guard design for head and torso protection, which is a big deal for safety-conscious parents. This means you won't have to replace it as soon as they hit a growth spurt. Plus, it's flame retardant-free and meets federal flammability standards, which is a bonus for parents concerned about chemicals. The contoured ErgoBoost seat with double foam padding is super comfy, and the dishwasher-safe cup holders are very convenient. One thing that some parents noted is that it's a bit pricier compared to other options. But I'll be real with you, the added features and safety benefits make it an investment that can last for years. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality booster with excellent safety features. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option, but for the peace of mind it offers, it's worth every penny. Now, if the Chico's price made you hesitate, the last product on my list is a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, Graco Turbo Booster 2 Backless Barbie. Finally, we have the Graco Turbo Booster 2 Backless Booster in the Barbie design, priced at just $31.99. This one is fun and practical. If your child is a fan of Barbie and you need a reliable booster, this is a great choice. This model shares many great features with its sibling, designed for children ages 4 to 10, weighing 40 to 100 pounds. The Graco Protect Plus safety features ensure your child is protected, while the height-adjustable armrests and hideaway cup holders keep the ride comfortable and convenient. Plus, the machine-washable seat pad makes cleanup a breeze. One downside some parents pointed out is that it may lack the backrest support found in high-back models, which can be a concern for younger kids. But honestly, if your child is ready for a backless option, this is fun and functional. This is perfect for you if your child loves Barbie and you want a reliable, budget-friendly booster. Skip it if your child needs more support, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 fantastic booster seats. The versatile Graco Turbo Booster Highback, its stylish Freya version, the practical Graco Backless, the safety-focused Chico Kid Fit ClearTex Plus, and the fun Barbie Backless model. Each serves a unique need, so consider what works best for your child's age and preferences.